Hi friends, welcome to Detailed. Today let's check how we can convert an old TV to a new smart TV or add the features of a smart TV with just $30 or 109 dirhams. Google Chromecast 3. So I'm having a TV. I'm not going for a 4K Chromecast just because my TV is not supporting 4K. It supports only 1080 HD. So please remember that actually. That is why I'm not going for a 4K one. 4K one is just 100 dirhams above. So here is the Google Chromecast third generation, which you can see in noon.com. It's a very good device, very cheap device, worth device for the price also. So the package comes with a Chromecast, the power adapter and the power cable, and it supports both Wi-Fi ranges 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and it has HDMI out, micro USB for powering the Chromecast. So there are two ports and connectors, and the product weight is just 40 grams and 52 is the length, which is awesome dimensions and weight for such a product. As I mentioned, this supports 1080 60 frames per second, and my TV is only an HD TV, not 4K. So I strongly believe this is truly worth enough for me. So we are comparing the same item prices in Amazon also, just to compare the prices and the availability of these products. So here you can see in just 2 or 3 pictures, it shows the convenience and the connection of this device. It's very simple and you can configure it in all the family members' device for multiple applications without sharing the password of each and every applications across. So I'm checking the same in Amazon.de also. Unfortunately, I am not able to find the original Google Chromecast 3 here. Instead, I see a lot of Chromecast from third-party manufacturers. Let's proceed with the Noon.com 109 Chromecast 3 from original Google. So let's order this device. Yeah, I got the courier from Noon.com today. So it's a very short unboxing session. I don't want to take too much of time from you people discussing on the unboxing. As it's mentioned, the Google Chromecast is a very small device, a very handy device, and a very powerful device. So this supports multiple applications across, and the entertainment applications such as YouTube, the Google Play Movies and TV, the Netflix, the Hulu app, the HBO Now, the Prime Video from Amazon, the Disney Plus, the Spotify, CBS, Sling, ESPN, then the Facebook, then the Google Photos, etc. etc. So you can just cast all these um, applications output to your TV with simply using a smartphone as the remote to your device. Also, it's very interesting to tell that from Google Chrome, this supports casting of all these applications output very easily and very simply. So from my laptop, I can just cast on the YouTube pictures, movies, songs, anything very easily to this device. another interesting fact is like you can control your TV with the Google Nest Mini, which is attached to this device. So if you are interested in how to control your TV with the Google Nest TV sync to the Chromecast, please comment. We can just go for another video soon. So this is the cable and the device and the power adapter. So there is one small manual also comes with the device. The same pictures for connecting this device to the TV. So just check about the configuration of this device in the website itself. So it shows these screens. So the Google Home app is the parent app which you can connect these devices across all the smartphones or the control devices which you are supposed to use. From these devices, you can just use a streaming application, then cast your needed screen or the application or the entertainment movies to this. So this is the Google Home app. So we have to create a new home here. I'm just giving a name. It's asking for the address. We can have the option of skipping the address here. So just continue without address if you are not interested to provide an address. So here you can see it is searching for the device and the search ends in finding the Chromecast. And all these things to be under the same router. You can see the same code in the TV and it's your option whether you can sync the crashes or the devices status or these things. And we can give the option of the location again. You can just give it to a bedroom, a hall, a bathroom, anything like that. I'm just selecting here as a bedroom and I'm just connecting it the Chromecast to the Wi-Fi. So it takes a second and now my Chromecast got linked to my Wi-Fi and I can just use configure now itself the Netflix app or the Amazon Prime. So it's very easy. So it's done. And here you are. Finally, it is asking for updating the software of the Chromecast. So it took a few minutes for updating the software. And here you can see even the display picture which is coming in my TV, the wallpaper. So I'm just trying to sync the Amazon Prime app. It syncs very well. And just see what happens in the TV in the same time. So after updating, the Chromecast restarted. And here it is. Now my TV is set to go. So the same display picture you can see in the Google Home app. It syncs very well. I'm having two or three mobile phones which is connected to the TV. So everywhere it syncs pretty well. So I just tried casting the Prime, the Netflix, the Facebook movies, everything syncs very well. Since I don't want to take too much of time, I'm just trying to sync one Prime and then we are ending up here. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Stay connected and subscribe for more videos from the channel detailed. Thank you. Let's sign off.